Let's make a delicious and spooky Halloween punch. To make this, you will need grenadine, an orange, cranberry juice, sparkling lemonade, vodka, and food-safe gloves. To start, we're making some spooky ice hands in our gloves by filling them with water, tying them very tightly, and freezing overnight. Next, we'll make some garnish from half of our orange by slicing them into thin wedges. Reserve the other half to juice. Next, we'll mix all the ingredients in a punch bowl. Add your sparkling beverage of choice, grenadine, then cranberry juice, vodka, and a nice squeeze of that orange. Give it a nice stir and add the slices. For our last step, unmold the hands with some scissors, peel them carefully, and discard the gloves. Drop them into the punch bowl and enjoy! Happy Halloween!